going on?
What's going on, boys? Anyways, back at you with another YouTube video, of course. Today's gonna be rough. You agree?
Yeah.
Got our breakfast in. Gonna somewhat of an early jump on the day. It's about 10.
Yeah.
But we're gonna pull the trans out of my Dodge today. Take it to my Uncle Shop in Terre Haute. Our Uncle Shop in Terre Haute.
Pretty much, yeah.
Get it fixed and bring it back and stab it back in. But don't forget about our giveaway, right, Jerry?
Yep. 500 subs, so all you have to be is subscribed and you're in.
That's it. Be subscribed and you're in the giveaway. Chemical Guys detailing kit. Comes with spray foam cannon, bunch of other stuff to detail your car or truck, whatever you got. But I'm ready to start ripping.
Yep, let's get her done.
Now, off this angle.
All right, well, we got the skid plate off.
The contrast, boy.
Rim says he needs that for skids, so I guess he's going back on the install. Rear drive shaft's out.
Rear pusher deal.
Yep.
Thing that makes the tire spin.
So now it's front drive shaft time. We already got them wrenched on there.
The wrench is already on it. Now the bolts are loose, but the wrench is on there.
Yep. Out the front is unbolted.
Huh?
Drive shaft.
Alright.
Alright, it's all you, buddy. I got camera. No, I'm just playing.
Okay.
Ah.
I like the jack handle mushing my door.
Oh, you like that?
Yeah, I love it.
You get them off of there.
Imagine me caring about that.
Can you pull them? Or you need me to push?
You gotta put it down. Okay. Chill, my guy. Just put a little bit of pressure on it. Right there. Holding. There it is. There it goes. Yeah, dude. Pull it over right here. Alright.
There it is.
There it goes. Right there. Ready? I'm coming down with it. Alright. Try to go all the way down. Rocks. Onto the fucking thing.
Alright, guys, give you a little update. Got them out, huh?
Alright. My gravy.
Wasn't too bad. Good thing.
It's just transfer cases out.
Yeah.
The hard part's done, literally.
So, got him out, and next is the big boy. So we're gonna take us a quick little break, get us something to eat in our stomachs.
Next thing we you guys like Nike? Check that out.
Coming on.
Cheap best thing, dude. Hold on. I got a brand new one under it.
Oh, there we go. Good deal.
Yeah. One thing that needs to come out now is obviously the trans, but just 2 trans lines need to come off, torque converter bolts, bell housing bolts, and
torque converter bolts are what neither one of us are really looking forward to, but I'm just glad to see the transfer case on the ground, because that's also like a huge
That's
obstacle.
like literally the biggest part.
Yeah.
In my opinion, anyways.
Yeah.
It's all the little stuff to get to the trans that makes me mad.
Yeah, I feel you. But we're gonna grab something to eat, and then we'll catch back up with you guys here in just a little bit.
All right. That bolt go. Fuck, there it is. I got it. I think it's a 10. Yep. You got a 15 big dog.
Yup.
Get a video of me taking this bell housing bolt out. Not good. Where's the pin?
Something fell out.
That's what I need.
Over here.
That's the part we need.
It fell out whenever you're tossing the deal.
I didn't toss it. It fell.
No, whenever you're tossing the fucking bolt.
Oh.
Hey, I got another one.
You got another one?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see.
Hey, this one's a lot better.
Try mine.
It's a fun thing.
Got a new one in. Swap them out.
Swap them out.
Throw the other one in the trash.
Chrome sockets. Impact gun.
For the wing.
Hey, I don't care. I'd say him's a little tighter than the other ones.
Round them all. Pin fell out somewhere right around here.
Like when it start coming out like fucking chocolate.
Hey, why are butane torch sound like a 5.4 Triton?
Actually.
Almost there.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep, go.
Good.
Yep. Yes, sir. That's 48 already.
Yes, sir.
Signed it around the top. Or it's just signed actually. 48 RE, BIS, TR 100383. Huh? Well, it's out.
Him is out. Deal.
Yeah, how bad I want to take this thing apart.
Ain't gonna. Spin it the other way. It's toast.
The converter's fine.
Yeah.
Hear that? It's broken hard parts. Fact.
I love how we just think it's funny.
Oh, dude, it's toast, ain't it?
Yeah. Cool.
That's how you know it's a billet converter. So you know a stock converter will have lugs on it that connect to the flex plate on it. You know.
Right.
That's how you know it's not a billet, because a billet is, see that big? It's like a big ass weight on the back.
Right.
But yeah, it's a Rev Max trans, like fully built Rev Max trans.
And rim destroyed it.
Happens.
Clearing my path.
Yeah. Got to. It's too cold. And I ain't jacking it up because I don't have the patience. We'll get it in the garage and clean it up.
Yeah, for sure. And then Wednesday, so in you know, in 2 days, we'll really get to see what's wrong with it. I'm kind of excited. I'm sure Rim's excited.
I've only done 50 of them.
Yeah.
And like, this don't look professional at all, because it's not. But like,
hey,
the person that builds my trans is my uncle.
Yeah.
And he's been in the business for 30 plus years.
Yeah, I mean, you guys will see his shop. It's huge. It's like this whole block.
Literally, it's massive. I mean, he's rebuilt all my transmissions. Does great work. I mean, I mean, if he didn't, obviously I wouldn't take my stuff there. And he told me not to bring my truck there because there's nowhere to park it. So many cars in his driveway. I mean, in the shop parking lot.
So here we are, ripping out in Rim's front yard, and then we're gonna.
This is the first time he's ever told me take it out of your house.
Yeah.
Because any other time I just take it out there, but
we're gonna get it cleaned up, and then we'll probably just load it the day of that we're going, because it's supposed to storm tomorrow.
I'm just gonna put it in the garage.
So we're gonna get this thing dragged out.
Get it dragged out, and we'll catch back up with you after we drag it out. Because I'm gonna take the torque converter off, and we're gonna see what's on the front.
Yes, sir.
Got it? I don't want to get it down on one. So I'm gonna take us to the shop so we can inspect it. Grab that like photo. There's that heel on it. Tires.
Push it out.
So it's out of the way.
Window side.
Trans is out. It's got a billet converter. Pretty sure that's a Rev Max trans. We're not 100% sure. We'll know when we get a little bit deeper into it, I think. But it has that. Contrast is nuts right now.
Yeah.
Has some writing on the top. Pretty sure it's Rev Max. I'm not sure. I built many of these. I normally go Suncoast, but this was already in stock when I bought it. Has a, didn't know it, but it's got a billet flex plate in it.
Yep.
It's got a SFI billet flex plate in it that I didn't know about. I'll show you that before we hang it up for the day. But yeah, SFI billet flex plate. Didn't know it had that in there. Rear main seal's good. It's not leaking nothing. But here you go, Jerry. Get it on tip. Got it. Well, guys.
Here we go back in here. Hopefully it's not too dark.
Oh,
It's a little dark. There we go.
yeah. Well, I believe that's a wrap for the day. What you think?
Yeah, I'm ready to kind of get washed up and
Eat some food
and take her easy. We've
relax.
been at it since, what time is it?
10.
Yeah, we've been at it since 10. It's 3.
Honestly, made pretty good time for doing it on the ground.
Yeah, I think we made really good time. We took a break in between, probably a good hour break just to kind of eat and stuff like that.
Yeah, for sure. Don't forget about our giveaway. Like we said in the beginning, 500 subs. We'll give away that chemical guys. Yep. And that's it for the day.
Yeah, we'll continue this. This is just kind of the beginning of this video.
Which, it's not. I mean, it probably won't even take us a week to have it rebuilt and put back in.
Yeah, I'm hoping Wednesday we can get it down there, and then
back up by Wednesday night, and then end by either Thursday or Friday, depending on how we feel.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what the weather looks like, but we need to get it in quick, so we'll keep you guys updated along with the ride.
Yep, and we'll see you on the next one.
Sounds good.